It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 3rd of November. I'm James Spann. Clouds invade Alabama. Colder air arrives as well, and some patchy light rain around today, tonight, and early tomorrow. Here we go. This is the upper air look early this morning. We've got broad troughing approaching from the west. Clouds have been steadily increasing overnight. And again, we'll see a little light rain at times today and tonight. This is the radar composite a little before 5 o'clock. Rain falling in Memphis, rain approaching the northwestern corner of the state. But understand rain amounts will be very light and very spotty for the next 24 hours. Temperatures are in the 40s to start today for the northern half of the state. Cullman and Haleyville, 41. Birmingham at 45. Temperatures will struggle to reach the low 50s today with clouds and some patchy light rain. And again, areas north of Birmingham could stay in the 40s all day. North of the state, freeze warnings in effect for parts of Tennessee, Kentucky, and Arkansas. No severe weather obviously expected through tonight with a fairly stable air mass over much of the country. This is tomorrow, and this is day 3, Friday. No severe storms around the nation. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The bigger numbers on the upper half of the Pacific coast way out west, and just not much at all here. Again, we'll see a little light rain at times today, tonight, tomorrow morning, but many spots probably not seeing enough rain to measure. And off in the tropics, very quiet. The only issue out there is that small system in the North Atlantic, Wanda, which stays in the middle of nowhere through the weekend, finally becoming post-tropical. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Got troughing approaching, and again, cloudy, very cool. Some scattered light rain. Highs today between 48 and 52 for the northern half of the state, way below average for early November. This is tonight, little after midnight. Clouds, some light rain around. And then tomorrow, the rain is gone. Rain should be ending by mid-morning tomorrow. And again, we stress there won't be that much rain with this feature. Clouds will likely linger, highs tomorrow mid-50s. And then Friday, the sky becoming partially sunny during the day. Friday's high in the low to mid-60s. Saturday, a beautiful day. We start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the 60s. And the same thing on Sunday. Sunday's high will be approaching 70. And some of the colder pockets might see 30s. But again, the numbers have been trending up with the guidance, not as cold. So again, there could be a little frost, but many places will not get frost this weekend. Monday of next week, beautiful, sunny, low 70s, the same thing on Tuesday. And this is a week from today, Wednesday the 10th. Troughing to the west, got a surface low forming over western Oklahoma, but we are still dry. We'll go out 10 days, Friday of next week, November 12th, a very deep negative tilt trough approaching. And that would be awfully wet if this verifies out there at the end of next week. But the European is not as amplified. It's got a chance of rain at the end of next week with a surface front, but the dynamic support will be passing well to the north, and that's probably closer to reality. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1 and 1.5 inches between now and the 17th of November. Temperatures highs in the 50s today and tomorrow. 60s for the weekend, close to 70 most days next week, and still no evidence of a big widespread freeze for the next 10 days on through the 13th of November. And the latest CPC outlook in the house, this is for the 10th through the 16th of November. Temperatures here very close to average if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.